we're back, man. I'm loading up this McLaren GT. I gotta do a quick walk around. I'm gonna watch this this other camera when I pull it up. That way I can see my front nose. This is a good way if you're a tow guy to make sure that you get your car loaded without tearing it up. You see my nose is clear. Yeah, we're good. Anyway, we just moved that vehicle for the tree guys. We had to move that one. Anyway, the property manager told me to look around and see if they saw anything that had been stickered a few weeks ago. And I was looking, I found one over here. But I was looking at this car here, and this thing's got, hey, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bullet holes in the back. One may have went through here too, I don't know. But looked to me like somebody was trying to kill the driver. Whoever shot it was shooting to hit the driver. Anyway, I'm gonna find out if the office wants to tow that one and the other one. He told me to check back with him, but I thought that was pretty interesting. It's got 4 bullet holes in it. Anyway, I did talk to the manager. He said tow the 2 that have been stickered. They were stickered several weeks ago. He's not going to tow that the one with bullet holes in it yet. Now, it hasn't been stickered, but they're going to sticker it and he'll tow it eventually. But it's been side swiped on one side, 4 bullet holes, and it's got a cracked wheel on it on the other side, so it's been wrecked and shot at. That's pretty common. It's been happening a lot. But either way, I'm surprised that one didn't wind up in a police impound yard. But it is what it is. We're gonna yank this Camry. I'm gonna grab the Camry, and we're gonna go up there, back up front, and get the Mazda 3. Anyway, that property I just pulled these 2 cars off of, the one that, and they had the Impala with 4 bullet holes in it. I towed a car out of here a couple of years back, probably 2 years ago, and that vehicle had gotten a hit down in Florida, and it was a carjacking. Well, it got towed off of this property right here, And that was after 18 months went by. The car popped up. But they came up here to investigate the car. Either way, it is what it is. That's why we tow. Cars get towed. We'll come back and get the Impala with bullet holes. We'll be back to get it later. As soon as they call it in, it's up to them, up to the property. I can't just tow a car. Well, we do it by the book. When they call us to tow it, we'll come get it. It's the realest content you'll find on the internet right here. This is straight up real towing, no fake drama. There's a gum Honda right there. Honda, they want that Honda towed. I'm sure whoever owns that car probably don't want it towed, but we're gonna back up and hook it. We're gonna back up and hook this car and see what happens. Here's my other one. She's coming out here. Somebody came out here right now. They're going to try to move the car and get it out of here. I don't know if she's cleaning the car out or if she's trying to play it off, but they stickered this vehicle here to tow. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I got to fix it.
Yeah, they called for this one to be towed. You're fixing it. She's fixing to leave.
Yeah.
She's pulling out with it. Okay. Okay. I listen. If you call and talk to the office, you might not get towed.
Okay.
But you need to communicate. She understands?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I'll call right now.
Okay, yeah. Talk to the office. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. She slipped up and didn't talk to the office. People on this property are very lenient about people fixing their problems. And she better communicate with the people up here in the office, or she'll be on the hook. Coming back over here in a minute. If she don't follow through with it, there's a good chance that car will be on the back of the truck. And anyway, we're gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna sign this one out. We'll sign this car out and get it to the yard. Anyway, I just signed that signed the Honda Accord out. Talked to the manager, and the lady with the blue Sienna, she called the front office, and the manager said that's all she had to do was to call up here. And these people, they will not, she said her residents, they will not communicate with her. A lot of people get a sticker on their car, and they pull the sticker off, and they think they better not tow my car. That tow guy, he's going to be coming rolling through there. He's going to get you. He's going to tow you. That's just how this business is. Any tow guy out there that don't get your car, he don't need to be towing, or he don't need to be doing this kind of towing. There's certain people, you can tow them out. Certain people, we've towed numerous people over and over and over. Same car, same vehicle owner, same car, same building, same problem, same parking spot. Some people out there are just very, very hard-headed, and they will not learn.